Back, John's apartment, December 25th, Christmas Day. City of Toronto. Did I say that? I think I did. So we got a little stock action going here. So basically, this is kind of like just, this is the only thing I know how to do with the neck, really, from the turkey, right? So boil it, bring it to a boil, you scoop off all the scum that comes to the top, then you simmer it. Sometimes add a little onion, carrot, and just let it simmer for a while. And I'll take this broth and slowly I might start adding it to the turkey later. It's in the oven right now. So the turkey's been roasting for about an hour. I've also got some melted butter. So turkey loves fat. So basically, one thing about roasting a turkey is you've got to remember you don't want to overcook it and you don't want to dry. So fat is always good with turkey. So let's take our turkey, let's take a look at it, and we're gonna, let's see if I can, unfortunately I don't think I can take this out. Take a peek. So it's just been browning. Okay, I gotta put this phone down briefly because I don't have a instrument to hold my cell phone while I do this. We will be back. I know it's going to black. My black dish rack, in case you're wondering. Or maybe you're not wondering. But I like to be thorough with my explanation. Okay, let me get organized here. Let's close the oven door. It's closed. Okay, so back in turkey land. So there's the turkey. It's been roasting about an hour. So it's starting to brown a little bit, I guess. Blah, blah, blah. Get a better shot of that, I think. So if you look there, the stuffing's starting to creep out of the neck. So as I said, so you got the water broth. So this stuffing that's starting to creep out is going to basically make sort of your faux gravy. Okay, it's not technically gravy. It's kind of like a broth with flavor. You know, it's sage and savory. So now, one quick tip. So I've roasted it for about an hour. I should have said 450 because that's how you should really roast. You just usually roast, especially for a big meat item, especially a turkey. You want to start high. You know, get kind of like the core temperature up. And we're going to lower it when we put it back in. We're going to leave it around 325 because we want to slow roast it. We're also going to cover this with oil, okay? Because the method that I was taught by my mom was you're going to start basting it. You're going to tent it with foil. So we'll probably drizzle a little butter over it. Let's drizzle a little right now, actually, just for fun, because we like fat. I'm a butter lover, just by the way, in case you know that. And take our baster. Do a little basting. It's hard to do this with one hand, I find, because I like to tilt it. Gotta point my camera at the thing. It's my first time doing this. Okay. Filming, not cooking. Okay, so basically, okay, I can't. See if I can actually get the turkey while I do this. So I can't edit this. So you're gonna baste it, you know. Then I'm blah blah blah. Baste a lot, you know, hour. So turkey of this size, I'm thinking maybe cook for an hour. So maybe 2 or 3 hours more. But you gotta watch it. Now, a good way to tell when it's done. This is not even close to being done. Is this leg? If you don't have a thermometer, the thermometer is the best way, and I believe it's usually put into the breast, okay, when it comes up to temperature. It'll let you know, it'll tell whatever the good temperature is. And then, but basically when this is done, this will start coming away from the bone, but that's a couple of hours away. So we're going to tent it with foil. I'm going to turn this off, and I'll show you what it's like when it's tented, and then we're going to put it back in the oven.